Before I share today's manicure collaboration, I wanted to pop in and let you guys know that on Instagram, I've already started sharing information about La Cosedora's Stamping'versary number 3. But I wanted to be sure to share with you guys here too, just in case you're not following me over there so that you're aware. She created a brand new limited edition Stamping'versary 3 plate, which will be released on Wednesday, April 14th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. To celebrate, she's offering a special deal. Buy any 2 plates and receive the new limited edition Stamping'versary 3 plate free, as well as free shipping to US and Canada. As always, you'll be able to use my discount code Jenny10 to save some more. She'll also be releasing Stamping'versary Plates 1 and 2 for those that didn't have a chance to purchase them when they were released in 2019 and 2020. These Stamping'versary Plates are not part of the regular collection and they're only going to be available April 14th through April 17th. So if you're interested in purchasing these and adding them to your collection, make sure to set an alarm and be ready on Wednesday, April 14th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll have all the information about her launch in the description box of the video. Now let's get started with the manicure. Our host was JulieG Nail Art. I'll have links to everybody's video in the description box below. For my base, I created a beautiful gradient using the Pastel collection from Shai's World. Shai just released her first gel polish collection and the shades are similar to the ones in this Pastel collection. I'll share a link in the description box of this video. To make sure the pastel shades pop on the nail, I applied a white polish from P2 Minute Mani called White Now. It doesn't have to look perfect because it's going to be covered by the other shades. For the gradient, I use a makeup sponge. I apply the polished shades onto the sponge and gently dab it onto my nail until I have the desired color. I like to wet the sponge with a little bit of water so that it doesn't soak up so much of the polish. So I just spray it a little bit and then just squeeze off the excess. The last 2 shades are peach and yellow. That looks really pretty. Now I'll do a little bit of cleanup with a nail art brush dipped in acetone. After cleaning up, this is what I'm left with. I'm going to go ahead and apply a clear top coat. I'll use this one by JulieG. It's a Jet Set Quick Dry top coat. Then I'll be ready to stamp. Let's check our work. That looks really cute. Now that they're both dry, I can stamp them directly onto the nails. No. Let's see if we can save this. Let's lay him back down. I'm gonna apply a little bit of clear polish. Just dry brush it on where the image is gonna go to make sure that he sticks onto my nail. Hopefully that'll be enough. Let's see if this works. Perfect. I love the way it looks with a glossy finish, but I decided to apply my matte top coat and this is the end result. I love the way it turned out and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! Check the description box for all the information about La Cosedora Stamping'versary 3 celebration.